Hey folks, welcome to Man Cave Makings with me, Gus. Well, I've got myself a little vintage P&B English-made engineer's vice. And it's needing a little bit of TLC, so that's what this video is all about. It's got some beautiful styling in it, and you know, you just don't get this kind of thing in a modern equivalent, I don't think, these days. So I'm gonna strip this back and give it a little man cave makeover. And I've done one of these before in the shape of a big Woden vise that I did. I made a pedestal for that, and if you've not maybe seen that video, I'll stick a card up here and you maybe go and check that out after this video. A little poll went up on Instagram. You seem to want to see what I do with these things, and that's what this video is all about. So let's get in it. she's all done. And I am pretty pleased with the outcome. I could have gone quite far and deep into this, like, you know, redressing the faces and things like that, but for what it's going to be, which is going to be this sort of third hand on a welding bench, it's going to be just fine as it is. And I think the gold detailing now really does kind of give it that special type of feeling. Hope the natural sort of patina might return, but yeah, really enjoyed the build. You know, maybe 2 days, quite a quick one for me. Yeah, I hope you've taken some good information from the video. Maybe shoot me a DM if you've got questions. Maybe give me a thumbs up if this is your kind of bag. Maybe consider subscribing. And thank you very much for watching my content. It means the world to me. And yeah, well, as always, I hope to catch you again.